Here's how to scale a player in Roblox Studio. First, add a script to server script service. Let's start off by defining our services, which are the player service and the tween service. Then, let's define the properties of the tween. This tween time variable refers to how long the tween will take, and the tween info just makes the properties of the tween. The tween is actually what makes the player grow smoothly. Now, let's create a function called scalePlayer. It'll take in two arguments, the first of which is the player's character, and the second one is the scale factor, which is just a number. Now, let's make a reference to the player's humanoid by setting it to a variable. Next, let's add this table. I'm gonna call it scale variables, and basically it represents all the names of the variables that we have to change. These variables are all children of the humanoid. We can loop through these variables by using a for loop, which I did here. Now, every iteration of the for loop, we can get the variable by doing this. Now, we actually need to create our scale tween, which just uses the variable and the tween info from before. And then, finally, we need to play that tween. Now, just as an example, I've added it so that whenever the character is loaded, it waits 5 seconds and then scales the player. In your case, you should call this function whenever you want to scale the player. The script is posted in my Discord server. Anyways, it works. So if you want more scripting tips in the future, then follow to become a better scripter.